How to delete Wink app. So if you want to delete the Wink app, it is actually very simple. Open the app library of your device. Find the application for Wink and long press on it. Tap on the option App Info. Tap on the option Uninstall that you can see on the screen. Tap on the option OK in order to uninstall it. After that, Wink application will be uninstalled. Or you can also uninstall it from the Play Store. Open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see on the screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Search for Wink. Tap on the option Wink that you can see on the screen. Over here you can find the option for uninstall. Tap on it. Tap on the option uninstall again. Once you do that, Wink application will be uninstalled. Like this, you can delete the Wink app. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.